What's up? Today we are going to be playing Friday Night Funkin' and I'm going to go to free play actually. Usually I play story mode. I'm going to go to free play. Oh, I would love to see how Dad Battle is in this. Dad Battle is one of my favorite ones and in the normal full 7 weeks. Don't do number 7. That's inappropriate. Oh, it's easy. Okay, it gets hard. I mean, it's easy but hard. Okay, yeah, it's easy, I'm gonna say. Okay, that was pretty easy. I only had that one thing on my tab, so maybe stop for a sec. I like it also. I like Pico as a mod. I like Pico's mod. Oh, I didn't know I was going to start right then. Oh yeah, this one's easy. Well, it starts off easy. Oh no, I lost. I did not expect that. Okay, and that's actually going to be all. I know it was only 3 minutes, but that's all.